This is the homework help video for Thursday, March 22nd. For all classes, it's the bar graph homework, Unit 10, Lesson 3, independent practice. I'm going to work from the back page first because there's something they did on this bar graph that I want you to do on all of your bar graphs, and we'll be able to do it on the other question. The graph below shows the attendance by age bracket for an amusement park one day last summer. And then it says, using the data in the graph, identify each statement as true or false. So we're going to do problem 4. Problem 4 says the number of 13 to 19-year-olds in attendance was equal to the number of 2 to 12-year-olds in attendance. We're trying to figure out whether that's true or false. They've made it really easy because they've written, for example, 13 to 19-year-olds right here. They've written the total number above the bar. And anytime you're working with a bar graph on a test or homework or something, and I want you to do that, write the numbers, the totals above the bars, because it makes it easier to answer these questions. So the number of 13 to 19-year-olds in attendance was 550. And then the number of 2 to 12-year-olds, well, 2 to 5-year-olds are here, and 6 to 12-year-olds are here, so we're going to add these two numbers, because those two age ranges are represented by 2 to 12-year-olds. So we want to add 200 plus 350, and that will give us 550. So the statement said the 13 to 19-year-olds in attendance was equal to the 2 to 12-year-olds. 550 equals 550. So yes, this is a true statement. Now flip back to the front of the homework, and let's look at this problem number 1. It says if each pound of pretzels cost 54 cents to produce, what was the approximate, I'm going to underline this keyword, approximate production cost for pretzels. Now, since it said approximate, we're going to pull approximate numbers off these bars. The potato chips, see this, approximately 11, and then tortilla chips, looks like it's a little bit more than 8, but since we're saying approximate, I'm going to say 8. And pretzels, approximately 4. For what? Let's look at the y-axis label, 4 million pounds. So 4 million pounds of pretzels, approximately. And they cost 54 cents per pound, so approximately $0.50 per pound. So we can multiply by 1/2. Or just realize that half a dollar per pound, so every 2 pounds costs $1. So if we could just divide by 2, we get $2 million. 50 cents per pound, every 2 pounds costs $1. So 4 million divided by 2, $2 million. Of course, that's the approximate. We know that the actual production cost is a little bit higher because you can see that this bar is a little bit above the 4. So it's a little bit more than 4 million pounds, and it costs a little bit more than $0.50 per pound. Okay, I hope that helps. I'll see you in the morning.